This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open the YouTube app and tap your profile icon in the top right. Wait 1 second for the profile menu to appear on screen. Tap Settings, then tap General to access app appearance controls. Tap Appearance and choose Dark Theme from the list of options. Toggle Dark Theme on to switch from light to dark immediately on mobile. The change applies to the app interface, video pages, and menus without restarting the app. You can revert by selecting light or use device theme anytime. Open YouTube.com and click your profile picture in the top right corner. Wait for the account menu to appear before moving to the next step. Click Appearance from the drop-down list to view theme options. Choose Dark Theme to enable dark mode on YouTube.com immediately after selection. The dark mode changes the site interface, player background, and menus for easier viewing. This setting syncs to the browser, but not always across devices automatically. Repeat the step on each device to enable dark mode everywhere. If dark theme is missing on mobile, first update the app to the latest version available. If updating fails, clear the app cache on Android or offload the app on iPhone and try again. Reinstall the YouTube app if the theme still fails to appear after cache clearing. For desktop, ensure your browser is updated and disable conflicting extensions before retrying. Use trusted browser extensions only if built-in appearance options are unavailable or insufficient. Remember that account sync may not carry theme settings between.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.